Okay, so today we are going to keep working on our angles and our similar figures, but one of the things I wanted to start with is really talking about how we name angles because I realized that's something that we missed yesterday. So, just as a reminder, an angle is really kind of any corner of a shape. So, like this space is an angle, we have another angle up here, and we have another angle down in this corner. Okay? So an angle is really just a corner of a shape. And there's a couple of ways that we can name angles. Right? There's really three ways. Now all of them start the exact same way. We will name all of our angles. We'll start with using this little symbol, which really just means angle. Now, if I wanted to talk about this angle down here, this green one that we have in the corner, okay, every angle is going to have one letter kind of in the middle of it, or the letter at that corner. Okay, that's the most important letter that we can talk about. Okay. One way that we can name this angle is just by using that letter. So we could say that this green angle, if I wanted to tell you to look in that exact spot, I might say angle B. And so that would tell you to look in that exact spot. Okay. Now, there's two more ways that we could actually name that angle, and it still revolves around using the letter B. Okay, but this time we're actually going to include these other letters that are on the sides. Okay. So if we look at this angle B, the sides kind of extend out. So if we started at B and we kind of traced those lines all the way out, we ended up all the way at A and all the way at C. So we can use those letters to actually name our angle. So one way that we can do is angle ABC. Now notice that B is the letter in the middle, okay? And B is the letter that's in the middle of our angle. That's very important. The middle letter is the most important. So if we're talking about angle B, letter B has to be in the middle of the name. So we have A, B, C. Or we can go the other way. We can start at C and go this way to letter B and then go this way to letter A. So we could also name this as angle CBA. But notice again that B was in the middle of that name. So we can just use the letter here and call it angle B, or we can use all three letters, and in that case, it doesn't matter which order we go in as long as this letter is in the middle. So if I wanted to reference this angle here, this yellow one, we could say that this is angle C. We could call it angle ACB or angle BCA. Just making sure that C is the letter in the middle of that name.